If x minus 1 by x equals to 4, prove that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 322. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve this math. Let's start. First, this left hand side, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So this one we can write like this: x square square plus 1 by x square square, right? Then this one we can write like a square plus b square. What does mean? It means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So this one also same, x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 times x square times 1 by x square, right? Because here x square is a 1 by x square is a b. Now this x square and 1 by x square out. Now this one we can write, we know again another rule, a square plus b square, it means a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now question, why first time we will take a plus b and now why we are taking a minus b? Because in given x minus 1 by x, so we have to take a minus b. So here is x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 times x times 1 by x, this one for this one, and here is square, so we will write here square, this square become here, and here is minus 2. Okay, now x minus 1 by x means 4, then square, here is x and x out, plus 2 and whole square minus 2. So here is a 16, 16 plus 2 is 18 square minus 2. So what is the value of 18 square? It will be 324 and minus 2. The result is 322, which is right hand side. Okay, so left hand side equals to right hand side. It's a proved. Okay, very short way we are trying to solve this one, and this is very important for any kinds of competitive examination like IGCSE, SAT, CBCSE and SSC. Okay, so first question finished. Today we will solve another math. Second question, if 2x plus 2 by x equals to 3, what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? Look, here is 2x plus 2 by x, but here is x square plus 1 by x square. So we have to do something. Given 2x plus 2 by x equals to 3, so we can take common 2, so here is x plus 1 by x equals to 3. So here is x plus 1 by x equals to 3 by 2. Now this one we can do one thing, which is we can make solution from here, or we can make square both sides. So x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3 by 2 square, right? Now as per a plus b whole square rules, x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 9 by 4, right? Then this x and this x out, so here is x square plus 1 by x square equals to 9 by 4, and this plus 2 will become minus 2, right? So now here is 9, here LCM is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so 9 minus 8, it will be 1 divide 4. So x square plus 1 by x square equals to 1 by 4. Our answer is 1 by 4. But if we do from here, this one, we know a square plus b square, it means what? It means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this one we can write x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x times 1 by x. And what is the value of x plus 1 by x? Which is this one. It means 3 by 2. So we can write 3 by 2 square minus this x out, so 2, and here is 9 by 4 minus 2. So similar, here is 9 minus 8 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. So anything or anyone you can follow to complete the math. It's also a very important math for any kinds of competitive examination. So no more today, we are trying to solve these two math, which is very important for examination. If you think if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math. No more today. Thank you very much.